Bye, Talia. Talia's in the tent for the first time. This is her first camping adventure. Shoes off, Sylvan. This is her first camping adventure, and she is very excited about the tent.
I am too.
Any big pieces that you see already on the floor, throw them out. Like those leaves right there by Talia, throw them out, please. Talia, there's Q. There's 2 doors on our tent.
Mom, zip that up, please.
You want it to be zipped up?
Yeah.
Okay. Sylvan, are you excited for your birthday camping trip at the beach?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you going to be? I forgot. 4. Are you excited? I think you're so excited you can hardly even stand it. Woo! Woo! Look at him! Talia! Yeah! Talia's dancing! Look at her! She says, I'm so excited to be out here in the woods. We get to go down to the ocean. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Talia! Ha!
Please close this.
I'm going to. Talia's late. Whoa! More tent. More tent for me.